So this is class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject GSC date 9, 10, 24. So we are studying relation 12. Lesson 12. Three states of matter. Three states of matter. Three states of matter. In this lesson, we are solving the worksheet. So worksheet 12. Worksheet 12. So in this we have completed A, fill in the blanks. Second, take the right answer. Now C, write solid, liquid or gas for the following sentences. C, write solid, liquid or gas for the following sentences. For the following sentences. So first, molecules are tightly packed. Molecules are tightly packed. In which state of the matter? Molecules are tightly packed. So in the solids, molecules are tightly packed. So first you have to write solid. First you have to write this solid. Now second, move freely and spread everywhere. Move freely and spread everywhere. This situation is found in case of the gas. That is capital letter. This is solid and second is gas. In case of the gas, the molecules move freely and spread everywhere. Now third, flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. As in case of the water, shape of water is changed according to the container in which it is kept. So flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. So that is liquid. This is liquid. And fourth, have different shape and different volume. Have different shape and different volume as the table and chair. So this is the property of solid. This is property of the solid. So solids have different shape and different volume. So here you have to fill as a solid. And fifth, Fifth you see, have neither a definite shape nor a volume. Have neither a definite shape nor a volume. You see case of the gas. Gas having neither definite shape nor definite volume. So here you have to write as the gas. So fifth, is the gas. So in this way we can write solid, liquid or gas for the following sentences. So once again we can see molecules. Number one, molecules are tightly packed. So this is solid. Next, molecules move freely and spread everywhere. So this is the gas. And flow easily and take the shape of the container they are poured in. So this is third, this is liquid. And the fourth, next you see, that is have different shape and different volume. So this is solid having different shape and different volume. And fifth, you see, have neither a different shape nor a volume. So this situation is found in case of the gases. So first solid, second gas, third liquid, fourth solid, and fifth again gas. So now we can write the D. We can see the D. After C we can write D. That is D. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. Write T for true and F for false. So first we have to see first one. All the metals are same. Yes, it is true, because all the metals are made up of atoms. All the metals are made up of the atoms, and all the metals have volume. So all the matter has weight or mass and occupies the space. So this is true. First, all the metals are same. Then first is the true. The second, you see, metals are interchangeable. Metals are interchangeable. Yes, it is also true. And you know that in case of the water may be changed into the solid or gas when temperature is reduced. It is converted into the ice, that is a solid, and when temperature is increased, water is converted into the water vapors, that is gaseous state of the matter, that is gas. So in this way, second, metals are interchangeable. It is true. Second is also true. Now third, you see, Air is a mixture of gases. Yes, air is a mixture of gases. We see the air around us. Air is present, and the air is a mixture of gases. Air contains oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, etc., etc. So this is the air is a mixture of gases. So third is also true. Now fourth, you see, fourth, cooling changes a solid into liquid. Cooling changes a solid into liquid. It is incorrect. It is false. Fourth is false. As we can see with example, cooling changes a solid into liquid. No, it is incorrect. By the cooling, gases are converted into the liquid. By cooling, gases are converted into the liquid. You know, as water vapors. By cooling, they are converted into the liquid. So this statement is false. Now see fifth. Now see next, fifth is sugar and salt are soluble in water. Next one is sugar and salt are soluble in water. Yes, it is correct. You know very well that water, sugar as well as salt can dissolve in the water. So both are soluble in water. That's all. Thank you.